You playing drums with gloves on?
Yeah. Yes. Playing drums on one glove, two glove.
I think Poopy wants to play drums.
Drums are awesome. Yeah.
Drums are awesome, Jackie, yes.
Clown. Clown.
Are you a clown?
Yeah. Playing drums, clown.
Would you like a drum?
Like a drum.
Uh-oh, where's all your drums?
Drums in the air.
Oh, drums are under there? Oh, hey, look at that. There's your drums.
Yeah, you found them, Mama.
I did find them. Yay. That sounds pretty good, Pucka. I like your gloves and your drum set. You gotta take your gloves off so you can pick up your drum. Okay. Now you got to put the glove back on. This is really complicated. You have to take that glove off to help put the other one on. Oh my goodness. Do you want some help? No, you don't need my help. You know exactly what you're doing.
Help, Mama.
Help? Okay. There you go. Okay, there's one drumstick. Okay. Two drumsticks. Would you like to take drum lessons? Learn how to play? All right, say bye-bye for me.
Bye.
Bye-bye.